Hi, I'm Kane with Staging Canada. Today, we're going to talk about the installation of quick release pins on an 8-inch high executive platform. And what you'll do is reach underneath the platform and wrap the quick release pin around the rail and tighten. Fastening the platforms together. These steps will be repeated at various locations around the platforms. We'll have one here, over there, and over there. Once these quick release pins have been installed, we're going to add in our fourth platform, placing quick release pins on this corner and this corner. Once this platform has been fastened to these ones, we just continue on working our way through until we have the desired layout. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.